My name is Lauren Reese, and this is Student Org Spotlight. Today we're going to be speaking with the Vice President of Operations for the University Activities organization to find out how they promote student life on campus. So what organizations or activities are you involved in on campus?
On campus, I'm in the National Residence Hall Honorary, University Activities Organization, Omicron Delta Kappa, and Collegiate 4-H.
So tell me more about University Activities Organization.
So University Activities Organization, or UAO, is BGSU's premier programming board, and it's a board of about 7 individuals and programming assistants. And we event plan for all of BGSU's students, and we host various events throughout the year. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. We love doing what we do. So once a month we always do a different kind of movie, and some of our signature events include de-stress before the test. Like before finals week, we just have a nice relaxing time where students can come out and get massages, snack on food, different de-stress activities. And then we also have Falcon Finale, which is at the end of the year, typically in May. And it's a big end-of-year celebration for students, and we always have a ton of fun with it. Last year we had fireworks and inflatables and so much like live entertainment and food, and it's a really great time.
How do you believe your organization stands out on campus?
I think our organization stands out on campus because we are the programming board for BGSU. There's no other organization that is like ours, and you really get to put your input in and see what you want on campus come into reality.
So how can students get involved if they're interested in joining UAO?
So UAO is an open organization. Anyone is welcome to join us. They can email our email, which is myuao@bgsu.edu, and we can send information to come to our meetings. We meet every other Monday in the union. So,
do you have a social media handle that you would like to share?
All of our social media is at BGSU_UAO.
Awesome, thank you.